Hi, this is John from Final Cut Pro Classes, and today's tutorial is about how to fix a clip that has audio out of sync. Maybe it's something you downloaded from the web or you shot something and your camera is somehow out of sync and you can't reshoot it. So let me show you how to fix it. So I made a sequence, I called it Sync Issue, and I have a video here from Loom that is always out of sync when I shoot with this one camera. And I'm not really sure what's wrong, but it's a pain. So an easy way to fix this is that what I can do is I can separate the audio from this clip. So I'm going to say right click it and say detach audio. And then usually it's only a few frames out of sync and you can try and drag it in sync. But when you have to go a few frames, it's really hard to do that. So probably a better way to do that is to hit the shift key and then the plus sign or the minus sign, depending on which way you want to go when the audio is highlighted. So hit the shift and plus. And then I can say, okay, I know my audio is 8 frames off, 7 frames off. So I hit 7 and I hit enter. It moves the audio up 7 frames. Okay, then I can check it. And if I want to tweak it a little bit, I can say, okay, let's move it up another frame. So I can hit the shift and the plus key and just say 1 frame. And you can see that comes up right here. And I hit enter and it moves it 1 frame. So it's really easy to move 1 frame when you do that. It's really hard to do that if you're dragging. So once you tweak your audio and you find, okay, I have it in sync, what you can do then is highlight both the clips, right click it, and make a new compound clip. Okay, and we'll call it sync issue fix. And this will be your compound clip. And I want it to go into the current sequence. You can put it in any event if you click this down, but I'm going to put it in the current sequence. So I hit OK. So now this clip is in sync. So now if I go to my current sequence, I'll see I have this compound clip here. And now I can use this clip to cut my footage with. Let me show you. So I'm going to make a new sequence here, or project as Final Cut calls it. And I'm going to call it cut 1. And I'm going to keep the automatic settings because I want it to take the same format. So now with this clip, with this compound clip in here, I can use this as my main clip to cut my sequence with. So I don't have to go into every time I cut the out of sync clip to detach the audio and sync it up. It would take too long. Anyway, a short little tutorial. I hope this helps somebody out a little bit. Subscribe or like, and see you next time. Thank you.